Welcome to my channel Kaarigari by Huma. In this video, we will learn how to write the letter Vav in two different forms and how to connect Vav with other letters in Thuluth. The head of the letter Vav is approximately 2 nukta width and 2 nukta height. Make an horizontal S curve as the first stroke around 2 nuktas width. Mind the column angle. In second stroke, you need to change the angle of the pen twice. First, rotate a little to right at the highest point. And then rotate all the way down gradually. Like in any field of art, negative space is really important element in calligraphy too. Developing a good eye on the white space helps you a lot to draw the letter Vav. In order to give the tip a desired roundness, fill in the area to complete. Each letter's shape in Islamic calligraphy is determined by nukta, which is equal to column's width. Using nukta to check what you did really helps you understand the shape as well as the details. My favorite letter from Arabic script is the letter Vav, which I often incorporate into my paintings. I use this letter in a big font in the background of my artwork, adding a striking visual element. Additionally, I textured the letter Vav with gold leaf, creating a rich and impactful effect that adds depth and contrast to my art pieces, which you can see at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more unique and beautiful calligraphy like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means a lot and helps me continue creating art that inspires. See you in the next video.